Welcome back to Mini Shorts again. Quick overview of the car. Now it's back from shop blasting. So, much rust as we knew about. A lot of patches from earlier in its life. Some of which I knew about. Some of which I didn't know about. Patches inside underneath where the sills were. Bit of a bad job. Patches all over here and here and here and here, all over the boot floor. That's a patch there as well. Lots of problems to sort out. Battery box is gone. This has gone all the way around, pretty much. It's a bit of a problem because I did want to fit just up to here repair panel, but now I've got all of this. I'm not sure whether to buy a whole floor and cut it, or buy a short floor repair section, side repair sections, which I already have actually, and then just cut in a big patch. We'll see. Back round the front. Oh, we're upside down at the moment, obviously. You can still see in here where there's no bulkhead. No bulkhead here or here or here. Terrible scuttle panel. More problems with the bulkhead. More problems with the bulkhead. Lots of problems with the cross member and from the top as well. Lots of patching and problems and mess with the inner wings. So all of that's changing. Big patch on the floor on both sides. Lots of holes. So we'll definitely have front quarter floors to fix all of this, because it will come with the inner sill. Maybe some patches here. This side's worse. Definitely going to have to put a new end cap on here. That's a big hole. We've already had patching here, so not sure exactly what we'll do in there. Reinforcement here needs replacing. Large section of old boot floor is actually missing here. This is the old boot floor. This is a repair patch. Comes up there. So yeah, lots to do. Anyway, that's it for today. Just showing you around the upside down car. Thanks for tuning in. That's the end for Mini Shorts today.